Boaters hate this autopilot? Raymarine EV-200 makes you feel like a captain on automagic. You ever been behind the helm, white-knuckling it through open water while everyone else on board is chillin' with a drink? Yeah. We see you. Being stuck hand-steering for hours with nothing but wind, waves, and a throbbing shoulder isn't exactly the dream you had when you bought your boat. You're exhausted, distracted, and honestly just missing out on the fun part of boating. Your GPS says one thing, your instincts say another, and your steering? Oh, it's got a whole mind of its own. Sound familiar? Welcome to the club of boaters who deserve way better tools. Let's not sugarcoat it. Boating without a reliable autopilot is like driving blindfolded in a thunderstorm, with your whole vacation on the line. You're burning fuel with every overcorrection, fighting to stay on course in shifting conditions, and feeling more like a stressed-out bus driver than a leisure-loving captain. And when your autopilot system does exist, it's clunky, confusing, and somehow always just slightly off. That creeping burnout? That nagging regret? Yeah, it hits different when you realize your gear is straight up stealing your freedom on the water. You didn't buy a boat to babysit the wheel. Time to switch gears, literally. The Raymarine EV-200 Power Evolution Autopilot is the upgrade your boat, and your sanity, has been screaming for. With its genius EV-1, 9-axis sensor core, C-Talk networking, and zero calibration setup, this thing doesn't just steer, it thinks. It adapts in real time to sea conditions, eliminates steering jitter with hydrobalance, and keeps your course tighter than your last fishing line. Whether you've got an inboard or outboard with hydraulic steering, the EV-200 works smarter than a deckhand on triple espresso. It's sleek, it's silent, and it'll have you steering less and enjoying way more. Here's what you're getting. Buttery smooth course tracking, boosted fuel efficiency, ultra-quiet operations, and a plug-and-play install that won't make you throw wrenches. No annoying compass calibration, no stress, just captain-level calm. And it integrates perfectly with your Raymarine MFDs, making your helm smarter without the steep learning curve. Trawler owner? Sportfish fan? Just love cruising? The EV-200's got your back. If you're tired of fighting waves, your steering wheel, and your patience, this is your moment. Hit that link below and get a front row seat to a whole new kind of autopilot freedom. Thousands of boaters have already made the leap, and guess what? They're cruising smoother, steering less, and loving the ride more than ever. But supplies? They don't last. These units fly off shelves faster than a tuna on live bait. So don't wait. Seriously, don't let another weekend go by hand steering like it's 1995. Upgrade to the Raymarine EV-200 Power Evolution Autopilot and finally experience what boating was meant to feel like. No regrets. No shoulder aches. No more maybe next season. Click now, claim yours, and get back to living that smooth sailing life you sign up for.